Have you ever wondered how the most expensive animal coffee is made? Picture this: a luxurious brew, steeped in mystery and intrigue, with a price tag that might make your wallet wince. We're about to embark on a journey into the heart of exotic coffee production, a world where the unusual and the exquisite collide. So if you're ready to dive into the uncanny process that transforms simple coffee beans into the world's priciest cup of joe, stay tuned to find out the unique process behind this luxury brew. Imagine savoring a cup of coffee that costs up to $600 per pound. Now, let that sink in for a moment. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about Kopi Luwak, the most expensive animal coffee in the world. It's an indulgence that's growing in popularity across the globe, attracting coffee connoisseurs and curious taste testers alike. With such a hefty price tag, you might be wondering what makes this coffee so extraordinary. Does it taste like liquid gold? Is it sprinkled with diamond dust? Well, not exactly. The true luxury of Kopi Luwak lies not just in its rich, smooth flavor, but also in its rarity and the intriguing story behind its production. Each bean is a product of an unusual and meticulous process that adds to its allure. But what makes this coffee so special? The answer lies in its unique production process. The key ingredient in this luxury brew is the Asian palm civet, a small, cat-like creature. Now you may be wondering what a small nocturnal mammal has to do with coffee. Well, the Asian palm civet, native to South and Southeast Asia, plays a crucial role in the creation of the world's most expensive coffee, Kopi Luwak. This creature, which is about the size of a domestic cat, has an uncanny ability to select the ripest coffee cherries. It's a picky eater, and that works to our advantage. So what's the process? The Asian palm civet feasts on these ripe coffee cherries. It digests the pulp, but leaves the coffee beans intact. These beans pass through the civet's digestive system and are excreted. Now I know what you're thinking. Coffee from animal droppings? Yes, indeed. But don't be too quick to judge. The civet's digestive enzymes break down the proteins in the coffee beans, which are a significant factor in coffee bitterness. This process, combined with natural fermentation occurring in the civet's stomach, lends a unique flavor to the beans. It's this process that produces a smoother, less acidic, and profoundly aromatic coffee. Once the beans have made their journey through the civet, they are collected, thoroughly washed, sun-dried, lightly roasted, and brewed to create this luxury coffee. Each step is meticulously carried out to ensure the highest quality and taste. It's important to note that the production of Kopi Luwak is not without controversy. Ethical concerns have been raised about the treatment of civets in some farms. However, many producers are committed to maintaining the highest animal welfare standards and ensure that civets are free to roam and forage naturally in the wild. Sounds odd, doesn't it? But it's this process that gives the coffee its unique flavor. So, the next time you sip a cup of Kopi Luwak, you'll appreciate the unusual journey it's been on, and the small cat-like creature that played a part in its creation. Now you might be wondering, how do these excreted beans turn into a delicious cup of coffee? Well, the journey is intricate and fascinating. Once the civets have had their feast and nature takes its course, dedicated farmers step in. These beans, having traveled through the civet's digestive system, are now scattered across the forest floor. It's not as simple as just picking beans off the ground, though. Each bean is hand-picked, ensuring only the ripest, most perfect beans make the cut. Next comes the cleaning process. The beans are thoroughly washed, first manually to remove the outer pulp, and then in large basins of water to get rid of any lingering residue. This step is crucial as it prevents any unwanted flavors from tainting the final product. Once the beans are pristine, they're left to dry under the sun. They're turned regularly to ensure even drying, and this can take up to a week. It's a slow, careful process that requires patience and a keen eye. But we're not done yet. After drying, the beans are hulled to remove the last protective layer, revealing the green coffee bean within. This is where the magic really starts to happen. The green beans are then roasted using traditional methods. The roasting process is an art form in itself, bringing out the complex flavors and aroma of the beans. The beans are continually turned and observed, ensuring they reach the perfect roast level. It's here that the beans transform from green to that beautiful, familiar coffee brown. Finally, the roasted beans are ground and brewed. The brewing method can vary, but the result is always the same: a rich, smooth, and incredibly unique cup of coffee. So from the forest floor to your morning cup, each step is meticulously carried out to ensure the highest quality. It's a labor of love, a testament to the dedication of the farmers and the unique process that makes this coffee so special. And that's how a humble coffee bean, with the help of a civet, transforms into a luxurious brew. So, is the taste of this coffee worth its hefty price tag? That's the million-dollar question. Kopi Luwak, the world's most expensive coffee, is known for its unique flavor profile. It's a symphony of rich, dark tones balanced by light, fruity notes that dance on your palate, teasing your taste buds with each sip. The flavor is complex, yet strangely harmonious, a testament to the extraordinary journey each coffee bean undergoes. The price, while steep, is a reflection of the rarity, the labor-intensive process, and the unique flavor that no other coffee can replicate. This isn't just a cup of coffee, it's an indulgence, a luxury item that offers a taste of the exotic and the intriguing. For the curious and the adventurous, it's a taste experience that is truly one of a kind, a culinary adventure that's worth exploring at least once in a lifetime. But remember, the next time you sip a cup of Kopi Luwak, you're not just tasting coffee, you're experiencing a unique process that is as intriguing as it is bizarre. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of exotic coffee production. We've sipped luxury from a cup, discovered an unusual producer, traced a journey from forest to cup, and questioned if the taste is worth the price. We trust you found this exploration both informative and entertaining. As we keep brewing more fascinating stories from across the globe, don't let them pass you by. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating videos like this.